So, nilista ko na yung mga potential effects on altcoins. Medyo ko technical, no, pero explain ko na mabuti. Kapag hindi naipasa ito at naitanggal yung stablecoin yield, negative ito sa market kasi malalaki ang mga company na merong negosyo on stablecoin yields, particularly Coinbase and Circle. No, Circle, 'di ba? So, yung mga yan ay nakalista, no? They're listed in the stock market in the United States. All right, and then legislative delay can create more underperformance, no? Particularly isinama naman kasi si Ethereum diyan sa bill na yan. Therefore, meron pa ring panig or hati ang perspective, no, from an altcoin perspective. Meron pa rin siyang pwedeng ilagay na effect. Meron pa rin siyang effect, kumbaga. Yung end of the month deadline, it can create vulnerability. So please be mindful on the volatility days on the end of the month. Okay, yung ethics and AML provisions can hit some altcoin sectors, no? So yung provision on ethics and AMLA can hit DeFi governance tokens, pati yung mga smaller protocols.